Welcome, my dear students of class 5B to my GK class. Today, the lesson which I am going to introduce you is lesser known animals. Lesser known animals. Here you see, look at your book, open at page number 8 and see what is lesser known animals. Some animals, pictures are depicted in your book. You have to find out the names of the animals. Number one, here one animal, sea. These all are sea animals. Okay, one sea animal. In serial number one sea animal is there. Then serial number 2, this is also. And number 3, this is these also. This one also. This one also. These all are the animals name mentioned in your book, and the pictures also are depicted. These are of typical, shapes, figures, and hence it is said that these typical images float into your head, such as a dog, cat. Generally, this type of animals names come in our mind. This type of animals names generally come in our mind. But now, here there are some animals mentioned and pictures are depicted. These type of animals are known as lesser known animals. These all are sea animals. So now you have to learn the names of these sea animals with me. Learn it properly. And whenever your pictures will be depicted, pictures will be shown, you have to answer me. Seeing the pictures. The first one, this is a sea animal. What is the name of it? This sea animal, what is the name of the sea animal? You have to find out the names of this from the help box. I have made a help box. From this help box, you have to find out the answers. Here there are some help box. One help box is there. All the answers are here, are kept in into the help box. You have to find it out which one is matchable to each other. First one, what is this? Picture number 1, you see, what is it? What's the name of this sea animal? The name of this sea animal is, help box. You see help box. See help box. So, sea pig. The name of this animal is sea pig. It is known as sea pig. Now it looks like pig, but since these animals are animals of sea, that's why it is known as sea pig animal. And next one, serial number 2. What's the name of this animal? It looks like, you see, it looks like dragon. So you have to find out whether there is any dragon in the help box, whether there is any name in the name of dragon. Yes, we have found that is thorny dragon is there. Thorny dragon. So the name of this animal is thorny dragon. Serial number 2, it is thorny dragon. And next one, serial number 3, what is it? You see, serial number 3. Here there is a new one. One sting is there in front of its mouth. By applying its sting over others whom it considers its enemies, then always applies it on its body and generally kills it. But same type of sea animals also are there. And both of these two animals generally kills any unknown person whom they generally see in the sea water. But they are deep-rooted sea animals. The name of this sea animal, you see, what is the name of this sea animal? The name of this sea animal is Narwhal. The name of this sea animal is narwhal. And next one, serial number 4. You see serial number 4, what's the name of this animal is? In serial number 4, you see the name of what is the name of this animal? Serial number 4, you see the name of this animal is Okapi. The name of this animal is Okapi. This is known as Okapi. Then 5, serial number 5, you come to serial number 5 and see one picture also is there. What is the name of this animal? The name of this animal is Soebil. The name of this animal is Soebil. What is the name of this animal? The name of this animal is Soebil. This is Soebil. Picture number 5, Soebil. And it looks like duck, but it is known as Soebil. The next one, serial number 6, it looks like a frog. So, can you find out any name which is where this name frog also is there? You find it out where there is any frog name also is there. Frog. Here you see. Yes, we got frog. Indian purple frog. So, this is known as serial number 6. This is known as Indian purple frog. This is known as Indian purple frog. Then next one, serial number 7. We saw a picture of a fish. Now you have to find out what is the name of this picture. What is the name of this fish? Here, what is the color of the fish? The color of this fish is blue. So, that it is a fish, we know. So, you have to find out from help box the name of fish. Here it is, see the name of fish. We found out one fish name. And what is the color of this fish? The color of this fish is blue. So, it is very easy to find it out. Blue parrot fish. The name of this animal is blue parrot fish. Serial number 7, the name of this animal is blue parrot fish. And next one, serial number 8. What is the name of this animal? This is also sea animal. The name of this animal is bush viper. The name of this animal is bush viper. Here it is. You see the sea animal. It looks like snake. This is actually a snake, but it lives into the sea, deep sea level. It lives in the deep sea level, and this snake, sea snake, is known as bush viper. Okay, and next one, you see serial number 9. What is the name of this? It looks like deer. It looks like deer, but the name we have to find out. Here there is no mentioning of any deer. Deer is not mentioned here. So what is the name of this deer? It looks like a deer. What is the name of it? The name of this animal, but it is not sea animal. It's land animal. Always move here and there on the field, and just takes its food, and then it eat. And next, what is the name of this animal? The name of this animal is serial number 9. The name of the animal is Saiga antelope. Saiga antelope. And next one, serial number 10. Serial number 10, what is the name is of this animal is serial number 10. The name of this animal is Peku fish. It's also looks like a fish. So another name we have to find it out. The name of a fish. Here another fish name is there, Peku fish. So it is known as Peku fish. Serial number 10. It is known as Peku fish. Now serial number 11. What is the name of this animal? 11. Name of this animal is I. The name of the animal is I. The next one, serial number 12. What is the name of this animal is? It looks like also a deer, but we are unable to find out any name from the help box since the name is not matchable with the system of our our country. That's why this name is not matchable with deer, but it looks like a deer. So what is the name of this animal? The name of this animal is Gerenak. Gerenak is the name of this animal. So these animals are of different countries of the world, but outside India. That's why these names are not matchable to us. But we have to keep it in your mind. It looks like a deer. What's the name of this animal is? The name of this animal is Gerenak. Gerenak. So these are the things you have to find it out, answer from help box, and you have to learn it. Ai, Saiga antelope, the next one Swabil, sea pig, horny dragon, then narwhal, Indian purple frog, then next blue parrot fish, then bush viper, peku fish, Gerenak and okapi. These are the names of the animals. This type of typical animals' names are mentioned here in the help box. You have to find it out, and their pictures also are depicted in your book. Please look at your book and find it out and learn properly. Answers are given in your book. You please learn properly all the answers. Keep it in your mind, which are known as this much. This you have to learn it properly, because when I shall make question, two things you have to keep it in your mind. When I shall make question, I shall not give you any picture. Simply, I shall give you the names of the animals. But you have to find it out whether these animals are available in the land or these are sea animals. Suppose I gave you one animal's name, Indian purple. India, I gave you one. The name of one animal, what is it? Sea pig. I gave you one animal's name, that is sea pig, clear? So I gave you the name sea pig. What kind of animal it is? Then you have to write sea pig. These animals are lesser animals known as sea pig. Your answer is finished. So by this way you have to find it out, you have to answer. But the first thing what is important most is your memory. That means you have to show how much powerful your memory is. But how is it possible? If you learn properly the same thing, same answers you learn repeatedly learn. But at the same time you keep the shapes of animals, sea animals in your memory, in your mind, so that immediately you can recall. So whenever I shall give you what is ai, suppose I gave you one animal's name, ai. What is ai? What is ai? Immediately you have to recall your memory and you have to bring back the shapes of that very sea animal, that this one ayap. It looks like that. It looks like that. What is ayap? It looks like that. Ayai. It is look like that. Ayai. So it looks like a dog. So that one is ayai. Immediately it will come to your mind and you will be able to write answer prominently. What is ayai? Ayai. Ayai looks like a dog. So that dog's image will come in your mind and immediately you will write correct answer. It is the system of learning properly, learning answers properly in GK. So you do your best, your level best, so that you can make sure your grade A in GK. And my dear students, other questions also will be put like this way. I shall prepare question paper like this way, and whatever things you are supposed to require, you are supposed to learn, that is mentioned in your book. These all are mentioned in your book, and you have to learn, you have to keep it in your mind properly, and as soon as you get yourself free, you please just see, you please look at a glance all the answers, and automatically that idea, what's the name of these sea animals, what's the name of the lesser animals, automatically you will be able to acquainted with, and you will write correct answer. Is it clear, my dear students? So this is GK, and this is what I taught you, is for your conveniences. I help you help you to learn as to how you will learn what which technique, which method you will adapt, by which you will be able to learn all the answers as quickly as possible. So you must keep it, this technique and method, and you must adapt it, you must realize it. Thank you. Thank you for today's class. And once again, I would like to remind you, within this very week, I shall give you some homeworks. Now, homeworks is not possible because now we are conducting classes through online system. But I think most probably next week we are going to conduct a online test. No, online test means we have to give you some questions, short questions, not short questions. You will give optional questions. You will give a true, false like that, and you have to write answer. You have to write answer through online system. Okay, what you practice during the last, during the last online classes. Up to this, thank you.